Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can set or change primary monitor in Windows, and it will be a step-by-step video. So if you are using two monitors in your one PC, then you just need to go over here and go to the display setting. Once you come over here, then you will able to see your advanced display options. So I am using only one display, so here you can see we have the options for one, but if you are using two monitor, then you will eventually get to see this kind of a image like this one. Here let's open this one, and here actually you can see, so you just need to go to the display and rearrange your display. Select a display below to change the setting for it. Press and hold or select or a display, then drag and rearrange it. So this is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. Now you can do it for yourself. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.